Hi everyone, and welcome back to your adult phonics lesson. This is level 2, lesson 3, and now we're going to do the reading. We're going to make some sentences. We're going to read some sentences from the words that we have learned in the last couple of lessons. So, are you ready? Now, if you're new here, subscribe. Welcome to the lessons. My name is Chris, and I am excited to help you learn English. Now let's get started. This is your first sentence from the words that we've learned before. Now I have my copy right here to make it easier to read. So sentence number 1. The bed. The bed is see my tongue? It's down. Red. The bed is red. Faster. The bed is red. The bed is red. Perfect. Remember, tongue down. Red. Perfect. Sentence number 2. The jet. The jet is W sound. Wet. The jet is wet. The jet is wet. Faster. The jet is wet. Perfect. Good job. Sentence number 3. The hen. The hen is at the vet. The hen is at the vet. Vet. Okay? Faster. The hen is at the vet. The hen is at the vet. Good job. Remember, V. Okay? And hen. Good. Sentence number 4. The net. Oh, that's pretty, right? The net. The net is on the bed. Remember, B. Not bed. Ugh. The net is on the bed. Soft D. The net is on the bed. Faster. The net is on the bed. Good job. Sentence number 5. The pen. The pen is red. The pen is red. Awesome. You know, I only made 5 sentences, but let's add one more. And I'll try and find a picture for it. Okay? So let's see. The vet has a red pen and a hen. I hope I can find a picture. If not, I'll have to make one. The vet has a red pen and a hen. That's a weird picture, so I hope I can find it. Good job. Now, I will see you for the next lesson. I hope you liked this. Hit the like button. Share it with your friends. That really makes me feel good. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.